In this tutorial, I'll show you how to create a quick star field in Blender. Let's create a plane, and add a new material. We need Voronoi and color ramp nodes. Please don't connect a color node to a factor node like this. It still works, but we won't get the stars we need if we use this combination. Please match my settings. There is our star field. We can increase or decrease a total amount of the stars. Please experiment with all available settings to get the best looking result. We can animate the star field by keyframing the node values like this. This is the quickest and the easiest method to create a realistic looking star field in Blender. I'll keyframe and show you the animation result. This is the end of the tutorial. Thank you for watching.